Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. MK. Today I would like to take you through Form 3 Mathematics. Our topic for today is Arithmetic Progressions. Arithmetic Progression. I think this question comes KCSE Paper 1. KCSE Paper 1. So let's do these questions together. Given the sequences is 23, 29, 35, 41. I think it carry 3 marks. Now the question say find the first term. Find the 10th term. Now how do you find the first term? Remember, you don't do any calculation here. The first term is always our A, which is 23. 23 is the first term. Here the first term is 23. But let's calculate to get the first term. Let's confirm whether the first term is 23 by putting this formula here. Solution. This is how do you get the first term. The first term is A plus, you need to use this formula, close the bracket, n minus 1, close the bracket into D. To get the first term, you need to use this formula here. Now, how do you use this formula now? Let's get the first term. Our first term will be now A is 23. A is 23 plus, close the bracket, n here is the first term. N, the question say find the first term. The first term, the first means the first term is always 1. First means 1. That is why I am putting 1 minus 1, close the bracket. D is common difference. How do you get the common difference here? The common difference, you just take the first, you take the 29, you subtract 23. You take what is on your right side, you subtract what is on your left side. Now you just say, you take 29 minus 23. 29 minus 23. 29 minus 23 is 6. Now the common difference here is 6. Let's use the first term is now 23. 1 minus 1 is 0 plus 0 times 6 plus 0 times 6 now is 0. Remember, we have said any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Now my first term here is now, it remains 23. My first term here is 23. I use this formula to get the first term, or you don't even calculate it. Just say my first term is the value for A, which is 23. That is for the solution for the first questions. Let's come to the next question now. The next question says, find the 10th term. How do you get the 10th term here? Solution to question 2. Solution to question 2. Find the 10th term. 10th term here, you just use this formula to get the, remember we have said find the 10th term. Where you have n, you replace with 10 now. 10th term, you just put this formula, 10 is equals to our A, which is, our A is 23 plus, close the bracket now, n minus 1. N minus 1, n is the number of terms. The number of terms here is 10 terms, which is 10 minus 1, close the bracket. The common difference here is 6. I think we have taken the 29 minus 23, which will give you 6. Now, how do you go this now? The 10 terms will be now, just calculate here. Now, the number of terms, which is 10, is equals to 23. Now 10 minus 1 first. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Our 10th term will be now 23 plus 9 times 6 is 54. Now my 10 terms will be now 23 plus 54, which will give you 77. I think that is how you do that questions. Find the 10th terms. Where we have 10 terms, where we have n is the number of terms. The number of terms is 10. Now is equals to the value for a is the first term 23, close the bracket, n you use it the one that we have said, the 10th term, the number of terms that you have. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 times 6 is 54. Now the 10 terms will be now 23 plus 54, which is the 77. The 10 terms will be 77. And I wish you all the best. If you are first time to watch this video, don't forget to share with your friends. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.